Hey, boys and girls, how are you doing? We miss you so much. So, for math today, we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did yesterday, except we're going to buy different problems from the store just to give us another day of extra practice on that skill. Okay, so today we will find the exact change we would receive after buying one item from the store. That's your exit slip, you only have to do one, by using the counting up strategy for subtraction, because we need to be able to check if we get the right amount of change back. So we will be successful by counting up from how much it cost to how much we paid and writing the change. So let me show you another example, the same thing that we did yesterday. So I am buying a pear from the store, and a pear costs 14 cents, but I pay a quarter, and I know a quarter is 25 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and write down 25. Now, I do that because it helps my brain know the number I'm supposed to start counting, which would be 13, and stop counting, which is 25. So I know when I get to 25, I have to stop. And however many fingers I have held up, that's how much change I'm getting back. Okay, so let's start with 13 cents. Remember, I asked you yesterday to go ahead and do the motions and count with me on your screen. Even though we can't see you, I want you to have that practice doing that. So you're getting used to doing this skill, and it's going to help you along the lesson, okay? So let's start with 13 cents. So we know we have the fist up, and that equals 13, and we're going to count up to 25. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So I had 10 fingers up, and then I had 2 fingers up. So 10 plus 2 would mean I get 12 cents in change. All right. Now from there, remember, we get coins back from the cashier. We don't get a number, we get coins. So I'm going to change that 12 cents into the coins. So I can use not a quarter because that's 25 cents. I can use a dime because that's 10 cents. So I'm going to draw a dime. And then for 12 cents, I wouldn't use another dime and I wouldn't use a nickel. I'm going to go ahead and use 2 pennies. So a dime and 2 pennies, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I get 12 cents back in change for this problem. Now let's try more together, just like we did yesterday. We're buying corn from the store. I know we bought it yesterday, but today we're paying a quarter for it. How much is a quarter? A quarter is 25 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this with 25 cents because that tells my brain when to stop. So from 15 to 25, hold up your fists. This is 15. So 15, and we're going to stop at 25. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many fingers do we have up? We have 10 fingers up, so we're going to get 10 cents in change. Let me write 10 cents. What coin equals 10 cents? Did you say a dime? You should have said a dime. A dime is 10 cents. Okay, so an onion now. An onion is 12 cents, and we want to pay, or we're going to pay, a dime and a nickel. So a dime is 10 cents and a nickel is 5 cents. 10 plus 5 is 15. I'm going to go ahead and write that because it helps my brain know when to stop. All right, so 12 to 15. Hold up those fists. This is 12. And then we're going to count up to 15. 13, 14, 15. How many cents? We get 3 cents back in change, don't we? And remember, I like to write it down because it helps my brain remember how much I need to figure out coins for. So 3 cents, I would just use pennies. I would use 3 pennies for that. All right, my friends. Now, an apple is worth 15 cents, and I'm going to pay 2 dimes for that. 2 dimes would be 10, 20. This is 20 cents. Let's put our fists up, and we're going to start at 15 and stop at 20. Here's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many cents are we getting back in change? Did you say 5? Good job if you said 5. What coin is worth 5 cents? A nickel is worth 5 cents, isn't it? So I'm going to go ahead and draw a nickel because that's what the cashier would give us back at the store. And now the last one we're going to do is lettuce, and lettuce is 20 cents. We're going to pay 25 cents because that's what we have in our pocket. So 25 cents is a quarter. Now I'm putting up my fist for 20 and we're counting to 25. Here's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How much cents are we getting back? How many cents? We're getting 5 cents back, aren't we? And 5 cents, we've already said this with the one above, is a nickel. All right, guys, it's your you-do time now. So for this, remember, you're going to count with this small amount, how much the banana cost, and you're going to count up to how much we paid. And this is a dime. So think about how much a dime is and how much you're going to get in change. If it costs 9, count up to 10 and write how much change you get and draw the coin. Now, this is on your Canvas, so go back to Canvas, or if you're on Canvas, all you have to do is click next. Good job, boys and girls, today. We love you.